Nothing can beat the electric screwdriver in tight spaces in flat-pack construction, masonry work, or electric operation. These screwdrivers are faster and more powerful to grow your productivity. More importantly, you can drive them into places that are out of reach of drill and impact drivers. In today's video, we have made a list to help you find the best electric screwdrivers. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
The best work outcome requires the best tools. Likewise, we have the Ryobi Ergo4V, which is the most decent cordless screwdriver so far. This screwdriver can complete your hardest day-to-day work, whereas coming in a sound size to fit in your toolbox. Therefore, it's especially ideal for household screwdriving applications such as assembling flat-pack furniture. Packed with a 4-volt battery, it can hit up to 200 RPM of speed, creating 5.3 Nm of torque, by which you are able to do many jobs as standard-sized screwdrivers. Plus, overmold grip and quick hex change improve this driver, saving ergonomically attractive. In addition, you can use the inbuilt LED light while working in dimly lit areas without needing an extra torchlight. Overall, this is an electric screwdriver that can give you ample work experience from the cordless form factor. Pro-grade tools always feature some extra benefits than ordinary tools. Hence, we have the DEWALT DCF680N2, a cordless screwdriver that suits the professionals. The first-class screwdriver powers through an 8-volt max battery while having excellent 15-position clutch control over speed. As a result, you can take advantage of the motion-activated variable speed from 0 to 430 RPM for fastening into wood, plastic, and light gauge metal. Besides, you'll get used to the ergonomic 2-handle position and 1-inch bit-compatible chuck. Its 1x4-inch hex allows for a quick screwdriver bit change and holds 1-inch bit tips, which makes working faster. Plus, it helps in mating shadow with LED illumination. So, if you're a designer who needs a hard-performing screwdriver, this one is your winning bet. Premium power tools must be durable and handy at the same time. Following that, we have the Makita DF012DSC cordless screwdriver, which is the best for premium performance. Packed with a 7.2-volt compact battery, it delivers precise driving to torque specified applications, meaning you can summon fastening torque from 0.3 Nm to 2.9 Nm via the 21 different clutch settings. Plus, it offers separated 200 and 600 RPM speed for low and high-level driving tasks. Furthermore, this screwdriver suits the hands of technicians for its ergonomic pistol grip design. Then we have some smart features in it like trigger lock and auto stop clutch to ensure your safety. And you can use it in the dark areas using the power LED light. All things considered, it is a spectacular screwdriver that will fulfill your demands with massive performance. Meet the BLACKDECKER BDC S20C screwdriver, which is a decent palm grip screwdriver for maximum convenience. Equipped with an inline grip, it'll give you superb control with comfort, resulting in being useful in light repair or maintenance jobs. It powers through a 4-volt battery, which can produce 180 RPM speed, creating 35 inch-pound of torque. So, whether you work on any large application or in a very tight space, this screwdriver can be your favorite for its power to ergonomics ratio. Moreover, you can fit 3x8 inches and even smaller chunks on top of it quite fine. So if anyone seeks comfortable operations besides performance and everything else, this is a top-notch choice. For home usage, you need the easiest operating tools. Hence, we have the Worx WX255L semi-automatic screwdriver, which belongs to the most hassle-free screwdriver lists. Are you tired of putting the screw in the pocket? Well, this screwdriver has an automatic screw holder, which holds the screws for you. Plus, it can store 6 bits within a slide action changer cartridge for your instant need of any specific bit. Powered through a 4-volt max lithium battery, it can drive screws at 230 RPM of speed. Also, one charge can be stored for up to 18 months for later use. With sufficient power and speed, you can drive any of the 1x4-inch hex beads in both forward and reverse mode. Besides, it is ergonomically relaxing for a lightweight body. In short, with this screwdriver, you can drive screws no matter which directions or conditions you're working on. With the WEN 49-103 electric screwdriver, you can get all the ample utility in a value for the budget. The screwdriver runs from a 3.6-volt battery, which is efficient for a variety of driving tasks, especially in home improvement. Creating 180 RPM speed and 31 inch-pound torque, you can tweak almost all components nearby you. Besides, a soft rubber-backed handle features ergonomic contours that fit perfectly into the palm of your hand. Plus, 2 LED lights give clear vision, removing the bit's shadow. Beyond its purpose, it features a perfect industrial design which is so helpful to reach tight and deep spaces. So, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly yet workable screwdriver, this is your winning bet. Here is our top pick, the Bosch IXO6 electric screwdriver, which is the overall best for the combination of its efficiency and compact factor. Packed with a 3.6-volt battery, it allows you to check the battery level as it goes with its 3 LED indicators. Although the battery is fixed, it is durable to last year after year. Plus, you can use the full potential from its 215 RPM maximum speed and 4.5 Nm of torque to drive screws into pilot holes of wood. Then, with the innovative one mold design, it looks so simple but modern in terms of ergonomics. Also, it fits any kind of backpack without wasting space. With all the styles and competency of the screwdriver, finally you can say goodbye to splintered wood or damaged screws in your most desired DIY works. Overall, this is one-of-a-kind electric screwdriver that will aid you in making crafts with its durable ergonomic, making it the overall best. So that was all about the 7 best electric screwdrivers just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.